Oh, I don't care about your ugly feet. I think it's the toes they didn't like. Anyways, it's just slime coming out when you squeeze your toes together.
I think it was.
Okay, how you gonna get this bike out of here, Fred?
Then we're gonna lean it over, pull the boards out, and let it fall.
Let it fall? It can't fall on that valuable stuff over there. And this,
No, just
this stuff over here.
let's get the board out, and then we'll go from there.
I'm thinking of a different way of doing it. Let's get out of the way.
Start it up and jump.
That's how you do it. You got a kickstand there? Good. Let me hold that handlebar so I can pull that way. Ready?
What did I just say earlier?
Look at that brake. We're testing the brake out.
What did I say? Just pull the boards out and let it fall. Well, you didn't even bother pulling the boards out. You just let it fall.
No, it slides on the board. See, I don't want you scratching up my paint on my rack there. I've got ugly ass muffler.
Okay.
Think of the damage that could have been involved in the rack.
We definitely need, yeah. I think, are we gonna work on the, we're not gonna put it up there to work on the back wheel, are we?
Are we?
Huh?
Are we?
I don't know. No, I'll turn it around and we'll do that.
You gonna work on the ground? What do you want to do?
Turn it around.
I can zip tie that real quick. How's it work? How's that wheel, Fred?
It's pretty.
Will it drive over that? Will it drive over that wood without crashing? Oh, you almost got a flat there. I don't know. That wheel looks like it fits on that bike pretty good, Fred.
You did a good job on it.
Oh yeah, you're gonna slide that on the rug, aren't you?
No.
Okay, that's not happening,
I
Fred.
thought that was gonna work, but it didn't.
No, that did not work, Fred. Here, let me show him how to do it. Fred,
No, that's
take a
fine.
break. Take a break, Fred. I want you hurting your back. You got a weak back. Okay, stand right there. Grab that handlebar. Don't hurt yourself now. Lean the bike up. Lean the bike up. That means lean it. Get this side out of the way.
Yep.
Are you fighting me? Let the bike come back. Okay, you gotta find something in here to grab a hold of that's not plastic. Do we got any of that?
No.
Turn her up again. Okay.
No, let me back it up and.
Okay, we got Fred. You scratched the fender, Fred. It drives like,
Check that wheel.
it rolls like the brakes are on, Fred. Why does it roll like brakes are on? Okay, where's your ramp?
I'll stand on this side, you stand on that side, and lift her up.
Where's your ramp at?
You got a ramp?
Somewhere you got a piece of wood. Used to have a bunch of wood laying around here. I took it all the mountains.
Yeah, you took everything in the mountains.
Where'd they go all the mountains, Fred?
What's this wood here? I think this will break.
What do you got? Got a brake.
That'll break.
Yeah, a brake. Go behind the press up front and get a 2x6. There should be some of them floating around. Somewhere. Oh, I might have one here, Fred.
Okay.
Let me get my trailer over here. I brought some stuff down with me from the mountains.
What are you doing?
Nope. 2x4. Fred, I got it. Fred. Here, bead blaster. Ramp. Bead blaster, stepping stool. Here we go. Bead blaster parts.
Look at that. Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, our stepping stool for the bead blaster.
Looks like I made this.
It's for short people, see? I can be as tall as you now.
And I ain't tall, so.
There you go, jam that over there. You've got reinforcements on there and everything. Look how wide that is.
It's built for this.
It is, almost.
All right, I'll put.
Good thing I have more room around here. We can jam it up easier. We'll have all kinds of comments how we're doing this all wrong.
Of course.
You realize there's a bunch of crap in the way over here that we keep from falling and bite up. Well, I found my chair over here.
Oh, hey, there's more light now.
There
What a
is.
concept.
There's your missing bolt.
Damn.
Who was that from? The electrical guy has electrical issues. All right, Fred, push it this way.
Get on the right side. Or actually,
You on the wrong side?
get on the correct side. One.
Quit moving back and forth.
All right, here we go.
See, I have leverage. Put the brake on.
Hey, we got that working.
Ready?
Yep.
Brake. Hold on. Put the board back.
Hang on. Back up a little bit.
You gotta back up some.
Back.
Good?
Okay.
Get close enough. Ready?
Yep. I think we're hitting on the.
Hold on. Ready?
Got it. Ready?
I need a hand.
Alright.
That could have been your toes if you didn't have those 4x4s on there. Okay, where's your wood at? Still down the corner, Fred.
That was fun.
Okay, 4x4 in the back of the muffler.
Back of the moon.
Sideways. How much harder we need to go before we hit it?
Nope.
About that far?
Not that far. And then one more.
No, we'll go.
Okay.
Hold that so it doesn't fall.
What?
That.
Is that what we're doing?
That's what we're doing. Pull back slightly. Pull back slightly. Again. There you go. Yeah, maybe one more of those.
One more?
Yeah. Perfect. Good.
Okay.
Yeah, good wheelie. Okay, where's your straps?
We call for scraps.
On the side of the toolbox, has it got those little steel hooks that Gino made?
Yep.
And give me a couple of those green straps on the floor there on the right aisle as you walk by them. Probably a couple soft ties maybe? No, we don't care about soft ties around here.
Green straps. Were they?
Yeah, those are good right there.
On the front?
What?
No.
Straps are over here, Fred. Fred! Wiring hanging down here.
Where are the green straps?
They're on the right aisle you walk by over here.
Oh yeah, look right here. There's a blue strap.
Keep coming. Way over here. Way over here. Fred, way over here.
Oh.
Keep coming. Way over here. Stop. Put your left arm out. See him over there on the floor?
Oh, hey. Hey, there's some straps on the floor here.
Yeah, they probably came from the ceiling. They came from the sky.
Did you video you taking the bikes down?
Didn't you watch? It's only 15,000 watches on those right now. 15,000 views in a couple days. I couldn't believe it. People really like me dancing off the forklift. Evidently, I am not safe when I'm doing my projects around here.
Yeah, well, imagine the first time I was watching it do it. It was like, what the hell are we doing?
Okay, put a little weight on the back on the upward motion there. See how Gino straps work too. It's really all you need, but we'll put two on just for the hell of it.
Just for the halibut. We like halibut.
Hey, a little bit. Fred, the road's moved. Yeah, the leg don't fit over here, Fred. Fred, you're scratching the chrome over here.
Plastic. Yeah, I can imagine.
Now grab the camera, you gotta show how to do this now.
Alright,
Put those there. Need more room. You have enough slack.
yeah.
So this hooks on the bottom of the rack.
It actually works on that one.
It goes like this. Smells like cat pee over here. Is there a cat in here somewhere?
I don't know, but I got them in my garage and they're just like driving me crazy.
All right, push on the back of the bike. Just do a wheelie? No, no wheelie.
We are cooking.
Fred wanted to do a fancy way of doing stuff.
I think we should have started and pulled a wheelie going up the
Yeah, sure. Fred, where these come from? Got extra straps.
fell off the sky. You know, up there.
The sky people.
Those are going to be easy. They're just frames.
Yeah, the straps. Look at all the straps still up there, though. There's straps everywhere. There's straps all over the back of those bikes over there. Look at all those green straps. They're like everywhere.
Did you get a good deal on those?
I had to keep buying them by like the gross. There's so many of them being used. All right, we're back. We got to figure out how to do this correctly.
What?
No illegal, inappropriate ways of doing stuff around here.
Look at my